got these to my friends in Milan. 2K and I'm still busting on my plans. Friends like alone, I'm not thinking that it's just. Only high key, we have blessings in place like who? I saw on all the things like who?
Hey girls, happy Galentine's Day. Y'all, we like to celebrate Galentine's Day the entire month of February. So if that is you, you are definitely going to want to check out this video. But y'all, I have the most cutest style, perfect for Valentine's or Galentine's, whichever you're celebrating. This unit does come from Hermosa.com. So if you're interested in this one, check the description box down below where everything is going to be linked. But this is their brand new curtain bang clear Swiss HD lace bleached knot lace front wig. Y'all can see how those knots are looking, that clear lace. This is also their glueless cap, so it does have their combs, adjustable strap, and elastic band on the inside for added security. But this is the way the unit looks directly out of the box. The texture that I have mine in is body wave, and it is 180% and 22 inches long. You guys can also see those layers in that trendy curtain bang. Y'all, I've been seeing curtain bangs all over TikTok, all over Instagram, so I had to get myself one. Now, my unit does have 13 by 4 inches of parting space, but I'm gonna be honest with you, it seems like more, so I'm thinking this may be a 13 by 6. But again, y'all, this is the way the hairline looks. What I like to do to lay my unit is take a little bit of my wax stick and apply that along the hairline, and now I like to take my hot comb just to lay it a little more. You really want those edges to be nice and smooth, and I also like to do that to the top of the wig as well. One thing that I've found really helps for those of you who want a really nice laid unit is by using an elastic band and just putting that around the edges until you're ready to wear it. Again, this is the way that texture looks. Now you can definitely keep it like this in this really nice body wave texture, but I really wanted to give my hair some nice curls. So what I'm going to do is spray some water as well as apply a bit of my foaming wrap mousse to the hair because we are going to do some really quick curls. I got this from Amazon. It is a satin curler. What you do is just place it on the top of the wig, then you take the clip that it comes with and just secure the curler on top of the wig. And what I like to do is just take small sections and fully wrap it around, and once I make it to the other side, grab another section. It's kind of like braiding but with the curler. It's really easy. You just keep wrapping the hair around, therefore every section creates one curl, and you guys can see how that looks. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. I sprayed a little bit of water, applied some of my mousse, and then I'm just going to take a section of the hair and wrap it around the curler while grabbing another section. I'm going to do that all the way to the bottom and secure the hair with a scrunchie tie. Also going to use a little bit of my Got2b hairspray just to keep those curls from falling. And now we're going to work on the curtain bang. I'm going to start first with spraying some hairspray on the hair, and then I like to take these big rollers. I'm going to link these down below in case you are interested, just so that I can keep the hair in a nice feathery effect. And then I'm going to apply a little more hairspray, and y'all, this is how it looks. So the next day, once the hair has set, this is the way it came out. I think it looks really nice. Those curls are giving and the bang is super cute. But what I did do is get the lace cut off camera, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get this unit on.
All the way, that's cool. Bad niggas never think I'm a fool, but I'm listening to you. So can relax. I need this show back. I tried on here and I'm still coming back. I do this every day cause I'm president fat. The fact of my life just
So now that I have the unit on, you guys can see how it's looking. Now that lace is a clear Swiss lace, but you guys can see how it's coming up a bit light on my complexion. I'm going to show you guys how I fix it, but I like to use some makeup remover to remove the makeup from my forehead. And to install the unit, I like to take my Got2b spray and just apply it a few times and then blow dry it down. And then once it's tacky, I like to just place the lace on top of the stickiness just so that it can adhere properly. I personally do this. I don't really use any tapes or glue. This gets the job done. And of course, go into your ear tabs to make sure that those are down, because sometimes I'll be forgetting. But to further melt down that lace, just take an elastic band and let it set for like 15 minutes. And then I'm just going to go through the wig and just pretty much loosen up those curls.
All the way, that's cool. Side niggas ever think I'm a fool, but I'm listening to you. Making pieces of my life that remain. I can't explain on the problems that I face. Thousand hates and I'm steady on my face. On the fucking mic, I'm a spreading my rage.
So you guys can see how light that lace looked on me. I like to take this ebin lace tint. You can see one side is with the tint and the other side isn't. It's like magic. It pretty much just blends right into my complexion. I would definitely recommend that spray. Now my curtain bang kind of fell, so I'm gonna refresh those curls by using my barrel curler. As you can see, it's not really curling it, it's just kind of bumping it to kind of help with framing the bang along with the other curls. And then I like to just go through the rest of the hair with a paddle brush to loosen it even more, just so it looks nice and flowy and soft. And this is the way it came out. I think this is super cute. I am loving this style. I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day. Again, this is 22 inches long, and that's where it falls on me. The density of this unit is 180%, so it is pretty full. And again, this unit does have 13 by 4 inches of parting space, even though I think it's a 13 by 6. This is the angles of the hair. Again, I am 5'8", and this is where it falls on me. I am absolutely loving this unit. Even though the unit does have that middle part and that curtain bang, I do think that it's still extremely versatile. You can wear this unit in a side part, given like an Aaliyah side bang. You can put it up in a half up, half down. You can even wear this unit all up, and I think that is super cute, especially since those curls frame and they have nice layers in it. I think that is just perfect for anything. Again, this unit comes from HermosaHair.com. Check the description box down below. I also have a discount code so you guys can save some coins. So this unit is going to be around $180, I think. Please let me know what you guys think of this unit, and I will catch you all later. Bye guys.